What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you guys another video. So in today's video, I ordered this off of Amazon. It's a VPeak OBD adapter. I'm gonna be using this to code in a few stuff using Bimmer Code. So if you guys didn't know what Bimmer Code is or don't know what it is, it's an app where you can code in things to your BMW, like automatic folding mirrors, sport displays, iDrive animations, other stuff like that. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I've been wanting to code in the automatic folding mirrors for a while now, and we finally can. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder. If you guys haven't done already, please click the subscribe button down below and turn on your notifications. I post a lot of car related stuff on the channel pretty frequently, so if you guys are into that, it will really help me out. Alright guys, so we got the VPeak adapter over here. I'm gonna just connect it to the OBD port. See if we could do that real quick. Try to see if we could do it with one hand. Yeah, the blue light's over there, so means it's good. Then we're gonna have to put it into accessory mode, so don't put your foot on the brake, just click the button once, and then make sure you have your lights off and radio off and AC off. I'm not sure why you have to do that, but I saw on YouTube that it's better just in case it messes with the ECU, because you are flashing your ECU, I guess, to code these stuff in, but it's fairly safe, so I think we should be good. Alright, so right after that, you're gonna have to open up your Bimmer Code app. I'm gonna click connect. Let's see, connecting. This thing takes forever to do. Okay, so I have a 4 Series F36, so click that, click continue. Reading the VIN. I'll get back to you guys when this is done, because I feel like it's gonna take forever. Alright guys, so we're finally in the app. Almost dropped my phone there, but we're in the app. I'm gonna start screen recording right now just so it could be easier to show you guys what I'm doing. So let me do that real quick. And yeah, it should be on the screen right now. Hopefully if my editing skills work out this time. Not the best editor, but yeah, so first thing we're gonna do is go to the front electronic module. So I'm gonna click on that real quick. Just checking for the coding data. This is gonna take a while, so I'll get back to you guys when it's done or almost done, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so it's practically almost done. 90, 98, 100%. Okay, we should be in now. Oh my god, this looks confusing as hell, but let's scroll down to the bottom. I'm pretty sure that's where it is. Yeah, you're gonna scroll down to the mirrors, so fold/unfold mirrors automatically. You're gonna put that at active, and you're gonna go back and then click code at the top right. So let's start coding. Alright, it's preparing the coding. It's gonna take a while. Oh, actually, that was pretty quick. Never mind. Finishing coding. Restarting ECU. Okay, that's a scary. Those are some scary noises. Oh my god. It should be good though. I heard that this is what happens. Coding successful. Okay. Closing it. Okay. Yeah, we should be good. Alright. So yeah, I think we should have that now. We'll check after. There's a few more things that I wanted to do. So for number 2, I wanted to code in the M animation on my iDrive. I know it's not an M car, but I don't think they have an M performance one, so might as well just do that one. So let's go down to head unit, checking coding data. Let's see, checking head unit. I'm pretty sure this is where it is. If I'm wrong, I'll cut it out and do it all over again. But reading coding data, I'll be back. It's gonna take a while, so. Alright guys, so it just finished up. Reading coding data. Alright, so we're gonna scroll down to display options on the iDrive system. And on the start screen, no, not that one, it says animation already. I don't know where it shows it. We'll figure this out together. Okay. Oh, I also wanted to change the sport displays from orange to red, so this is perfect. We might as well do this while we're here. And where is the animation? Oh, the start animation, there we go. So there's Alpina, Bmw I, connected drive, M variant 1, M variant 2. I'm probably just gonna do the M variant 1. And I think we just click code and we should be good. So that's, I guess this is our second and third one because we did the sport display and switched it to red from orange. And we also are coding the M animation on the iDrive screen, which is going to be pretty sick. So it's writing the coding data now. I'll get back to you guys when it's done. Alright guys, so the coding data just finished. Finishing coding, and now it's restarting the ECU. It's going to do that scary ass sound again. But it should be good. Let's see. Oh, I just saw the M animation pop up right now, so coding is successful. I think everything should be good. I just wanted to do those 3 little things, but I heard there's a few other stuff, but I just don't know how to do it. There's way too much stuff to do on this. So I'm just gonna test out to see if the folding mirrors work. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Alright guys, so we just finished coding everything in. I'm super excited to try this out to test to see if everything works. So when I lock the car, because it is unlocked right now, so when I lock the car it should fold in the mirrors. So let's do that real quick. Yes sir, it does fold in. It's actually so sick. I love it because if you're parked in between you're parked in a tight spot, fold in your mirror just in case anybody hits you, or if you're parked on the side of the road, nobody actually smacks your mirror off your car. So that's pretty sick. And the coolest thing about it, see, it does unfold too. The coolest thing about it, in my opinion, is so usually I'll lock my car, and these obviously stay unfolded. So when I do walk away, sometimes like I forget if I actually locked the car or not. So I end up walking back to the car just to test out if the door is locked or not. But now that the mirrors do fold in, I don't have to worry about walking back. I just check to see if the mirrors are folded in, and if they are, that means the car is locked. So that's pretty sick. And yeah, this, oh my god, this is like a game changer. I love this. But yeah, let me show you guys the sport displays and the M animation I coded in. So I'll cut to that real quick. Guys, so we are in the car right now. I wanted to show you guys the sport displays and the M animation on the iDrive. So let's turn on the car real quick. Okay, yeah, it didn't show up. I don't know why it's not showing up, but when I did code in the car, the M animation was there, I promise you guys. I feel like it just doesn't show up every single time you guys turn on the car, which kind of sucks, but it's whatever. If I see it a couple times, it's better than nothing. So let's check the sport displays real quick. So I'm gonna go to my vehicle, technology in action, click the sport displays, and thank god this is actually working though. So the sport display is in red, which is pretty sick. It wasn't, I don't know why it's not popping up, it's not showing clearly, but it was orange before, but I switched it to red just because it matches my interior better. So because I have a red interior, I feel like I had to go with the red sport display. Looks pretty sick. But yeah, I have actually one more thing to show you guys. So I recently got a carbon fiber spoiler from Keys Motorsports. Oh my god, you guys see it there? It's the high kick one. It looks super sick. I feel like it made the car way more aggressive. I just love how it looks. Like, oh my god, I feel like the rear end was super naked before I installed this. So finally the car looks a little bit more aggressive. I still need to get a carbon fiber diffuser. I'll order it soon. I know they're like not in stock on the Keys website, so I'm waiting for them to stock up on those, and I'll order one right away. But yeah, what do you guys think? This thing looks super sick. I love it. I was gonna record it, but I thought it would be easy to do. It was easy, like it's just 3M, you stick it on, but I still messed that up. So if you guys can't tell, it's stuck on pretty tight on that side, but on this side it's, I don't know why the 3M isn't sticking on. I feel like I just installed it. Like it looks pretty even. Maybe there's a little bit more of a gap here. Maybe that's why it's not working. I don't know, but I'm going to have to take that off and put new 3M on it just so it sticks on correctly. And this time I'll for sure use like masking tape and make sure it's perfect, just so I don't make the same mistake. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. It was just a quick little video showing you guys how to code in like the 3 main features that everybody codes into their BMW, which is the folding mirrors, sport displays, and the M animation, even though it's not showing up, but I promise you it's there. But yeah, other than that, that's the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, peace out.